Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple egg sandwich. So let's look at what we need. Here I have 4 hard-boiled eggs. Once you boil the eggs, peel them and cool completely. And 2 green chilies cut into small pieces, salt and pepper to taste, some butter at room temperature and some mayo. And here I am using some sliced white bread. Let's get started. So what I'm first going to do is add the chilies into the eggs. Add a bit of pepper. You can always add more later. And enough butter. Just a little bit of mayo to make a smooth paste. And now I am going to break the eggs gently and mix everything into a smooth paste. I'm not going to add the salt at this stage because the mayo and the butter already have salt added to them. Once the paste is ready, you can taste it and adjust salt if necessary. So the egg paste is now ready. I actually had to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper to adjust the taste. And now I'm going to spread a thin layer. Thin layer of the paste into a slice of bread. Take the other slice and spread another thin layer into the second slice as well. Close the sandwich and press on lightly. And now I'm going to cut the sandwich in half. If you like, you can cut off the crust of the bread, but I'm not going to do that. So here we go. Here's our finished sandwich. I have finished making all the sandwiches. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. I will see you next time. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.